What a beautiful day. The birds are chirping, grass is green. Thank God everything back to normal. Although I do miss Chacon already. But don't dwell on the past. The show is over and we're all happy. Nothing's better than a relaxing cold with Solid.